Hello guys, if you're watching this video, you're probably wondering why you are not seeing people nearby anymore on Telegram. You probably entered and you see that there are no more people nearby, tried to find it in the settings and you couldn't see a setting that turns it back on. Now, as you can see, Telegram announced the removal of people nearby feature with new updates. Uh, this has been replaced with business nearby. Unfortunately, you will not be able to turn this back on, and you won't be unless they bring it back. You may be able to have this option back if you somehow manage to download an older version of Telegram, but aside from that, you won't be able to get it back. The reason to why they did that is probably because they're getting paid by businesses to promote them to people in their region. If this new businesses nearby option annoys you, you can probably turn it off in the settings by turning off your location so they can see where you are and they can't show businesses that are nearby. And that is all I had to say about this, and thank you for watching this video.